quiz time. Let's see if you can score 5 out of 5. Who is the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Elephant. Lion. Which animal lives in the desert? A. Camel. B. Bear. C. Dolphin.
Camel.
Which bird can mimic human speech? A. Parrot. B. Eagle. C. Owl.
Parrot.
Which animal is the largest on Earth? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. Blue whale. Pin, comment how many you got right so far. Which of these animals can sleep while flying? A. Bat. B. Pigeon. C. Swift. Swift? Now listen carefully. If you liked this video, or shared it, or subscribed, then you are the real winner. Topsy! And hey, I told you, no one has ever done this before, but you just did. Pusha! Want more like this? Hit that heart, click that bell, and let's see if you can beat the next quiz.